preschool friends, it's Miss Renee. I am here. We're going to do our daily routine again. I hope you enjoyed it the first time and we will try it again today. So again, welcome. The screen says welcome. I'm very excited to have you with me today. We are going to go to the next slide, and this is our welcome song. So let's sing our welcome song together. Here we go.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
I'm good.
I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Nice job. That was a lot of fun singing with you. All right. The next thing we're going to do is our greeting. Let's see, yesterday we greeted with a high five, and today, see if you can find someone to greet with a fist bump. Say hello, or good morning, or good afternoon. All of those are really nice greetings. Check out our weather for today. Yesterday it was rainy. Today it's kind of cloudy and rainy. It depends on where you are. So I'm going to put another rainy down here. Yesterday was rainy. Today is rainy. Okay, our letter of the day, let's check it out. Yesterday our letter was K. Today our letter is G. G makes the sound G, G, G. That is right. G makes the sound G. All right.
Oh, golly gosh, we have gotten to the letter G. Gimme G, gimme G, it's the letter for me. Gimme G, gimme G, good fun is guaranteed. Green beans and gravy, garnished with grapes. It's at the end of the letter G, and now it's gonna be great. My gyroscope is gaining gravitational rotation. Left is a gorilla eating generic gorgonzola and garlic garden burger. Grapefruit granola and garbanzo beans. If you want to feel good, you gotta eat your garden beans. Gimme G, gimme G, it's the letter for me. Gimme G, gimme G, G is the letter for me. Goodness gravy, that was groovy.
All right, our letter today is G. G makes the sound G, G, G. All right, our number of the day, let's check out what our number of the day is. Yesterday our number was 10. Let's see what our number is today. 5. Our number is 5. So show me those 0 fingers, both hands. We're going to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We only need one hand to get to 5. So let's check out our number 5 video today.
Number 5 is fun and easy. You can count it on one hand. You can pick a 5-string banjo in a funky 5-piece band. You can rope 5 hairy buffaloes, then take them for a drive. Oh man alive, it's number 5. I thought I'd see the 5 Great Lakes. I took the trip up there in a car with 5 tires. Of course, I had to count the spare. I saw 5 big old submarines starting on a dive. Oh man alive, it's number 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 iguanas, munching curly fries. 5 jumping beans on trampolines. 5 gophers in disguise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 baboons a flying. 5 hot air balloons. 5 piggies crying. Wee wee wee. It's crazy. All 5 and 6, 5 pennies in a nickel, and 5 points on a star. A green 5-headed Martian looks a little bit bizarre. That kooky crazy number makes me wanna jump and jive. Oh man alive, it's number 5. Oh man alive, it's number 5.
5 is our number today. 5. Okay, we did a great job with our number and our letter of the day. Let's check out our shape for today. Yesterday it was a rectangle. It had 4 sides, but 2 were short and 2 were long, which made our 4 sides. Today we also have a shape that has 4 sides, but they are all exactly the same. That means we have a square today. So let's check out our square song.
What is that square that you are eating? It is called a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Squares, 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 squares. See them here and see them there. Squares, 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 squares. Squares are everywhere.
A checkerboard is a square. A hopscotch court is made of squares. This cracker is shaped like a square.
Squares are everywhere.
Can you grow your balloons here in the shape of a square?
Oh, yes you can, but you've got to take some care.
And you must beware that some people might stare.
Looky there, if your Google's hair is square.
My waffle is completely square, and it is made up of many tiny squares. Please pass that square out butter.
Squares, 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 squares. See them here and see them there. Squares, 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 squares. Squares are everywhere. Squares are everywhere.
Squares are everywhere.
Squares are everywhere.
There are lots of good tasting things that are square. Yum, 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 yum.
Squares are everywhere. So make sure today that you look around your house and see if you can find some things that are squares. All right, next we're going to play a little game. We are going to play a game about things that do not belong. So we're going to check out what does not belong. So here we have 3 pictures, and one of these pictures do not belong. I have a picture of a car, a pogo stick, and some car keys. I wonder which one does not belong. The pogo stick does not belong. It does not belong because the car and the key goes together. You do not need a car to be on a pogo stick or keys to ride on a pogo stick, but you do need keys to drive in a car. All right, our next one. Let's see. We have a sock, a shoe, and a penguin. Which one does not belong? The penguin does not belong. The penguin does not belong because the shoe and the sock go together. Penguins do not wear socks or shoes, so the penguin does not belong. Our next one, we have an owl, a glove, and a baseball. Which one does not belong? The owl does not belong because the baseball and the glove go together, but the owl does not use a baseball glove or a baseball, so it does not belong there. Let's do another one. What does not belong? Stove, a coat, or a refrigerator? The coat does not belong because the stove and the refrigerator are things that you would find in the kitchen or that you can use with food. You cannot do that with a coat. Let's do one more. I have a motorcycle, a dog, and a cat. Which one does not belong? The motorcycle does not belong because the dog and the cat are animals and the motorcycle is not an animal. You guys did so good at our What Does Not Belong game. That is all I have for today. I hope that you enjoyed doing some daily routine with Miss Renee. Have a great night. Talk to you later.